Hello. It's Agile Practitioners. My name is Basia.
My name is Piotr.
My name is Jarek.
My name is.
A few days ago, leaked email from Elon Musk.
Yeah, that was a quite interesting email. It's not really about Agile, but we think it also covers this area. But the thing is how you work with companies like ours.
Go!
Okay, so in this mail, Elon Musk states his disappointment about the performance of subcontractors. Basically, there are so many subcontractors. It's like a Russian nesting doll.
Yes, Russian nesting dolls.
Yeah. So subcontractor behind subcontractor, so many managers. He says that it is hard to reach actual people doing the work. It is hard to expect performance in such scenario. He stated in the email that he expected every subcontractor to demonstrate his excellence in upcoming days. So we think that this situation is interesting because actually we are a software outsourcing company and we are often a subcontractor and we have point of view about this situation.
We see three major points in this situation which we want to discuss. The first one is too many subcontractors, which Musk called them Russian nesting dolls. The second one is too many middle managers. And the third one is contracts, open time and material.
Okay, so we think that all these 3 points affect our industry as well, software development outsourcing. And we often deal with these problems so in the industry. So how to expect involvement from subcontractors, how to expect value in the collaboration and minimize involvement of managers not doing actual work, and how to frame collaboration in contracts so that so one side can expect clear deliverables from the other side.
The problem number one, which is many subcontractors not adding value. From our perspective, if you have a big number of people that are working on your product or different products, the best way is to split them into teams. Small teams, small agile teams from 3 to 8 persons. And then actually the complexity of management is decreased because you manage teams. The accountability is on a team, not an individual person. So it is easier to navigate for you as a company that is ordering something.
The point is to work directly with the people who really add value.
Another point is a lot of middle managers that are not adding value. Our solution for that case is first of all work directly with the teams, but also with members within a team. So really avoid any middle person who's between you and someone who's actually doing a job.
In our case, we eliminated project managers, which you can listen about in another episode of our series. But we rather provide Scrum Master's role, that is supportive leadership to enable self-organization of the teams that support working towards common goal instead of putting people or managers in a system that ensure that things are done.
The last thing was open time and material and not fixed price and duration contracts. First of all, the contract should have this clear statement and possibility for you to have a clear accountability on people who's doing the job.
You mentioned that that contract is not the most important part. In this situation, we have definitely lack of visibility, lack of visibility of plans, of progress, of results. So a transparency definitely could help.
The transparency doesn't mean that it's only for a single person at your company. It should be your whole company that can see the results. So for instance, everybody can check at the source what's happening, not asking a friend who's running a project.
In your company, but also in companies of your subcontractors.
Yes.
As an outsourcing partner, we think of ourselves like we were augmenting our clients' teams or companies to help them achieve their business goals, rather than following some contracts and some rules stated in contracts.
This is everything what we wanted to say about it. Obviously, this problem is not an easy one. If you want us to dig a little bit more, just leave us a comment or write to us. Thank you for today. Remember to be agile, and see you in the next episode.
And remember to subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Cheers.
It's clearly visible how we are performing. So it can be clearly seen. So to be fair, we